Sometimes the most fun things are the simplest. This is an electric grill, battery powered. It's for my lock change stuff. And he's learning how to turn it on and off and make it reverse and go forward. It's kind of fun, isn't it? So this is the Drexel high-speed tool that I use to break into locks that I don't know how to pick. It's half a lock. I took that off yesterday.
Why?
I took it off a house because I put new locks on. There you go. That's how you put it together. Just like that. Are you having fun with screwdrivers?
18.
That the nut to the screw?
On table.
Yeah, I could put the long screw on the table.